guys, I'm Jumper and I love pizza. Today I was at a local food fair where there's lots of local produce on sale and I was so inspired I just had to come and make some pizza. From 3 different independent producers. I got a neck of venison from Robert Hawker who does some great local venison with bang-in season for it. So I'm going to smoke it for 6 hours, nice and slow, low, and I'm going to put it on my pizza. And I got this buffalo mozzarella from the Somerset Deli. It's Italian, but I got it in Somerset. And this great little company does chilli sauces called Hatari from Ottery St Mary. They've done this great Aggi chilli pot, and I'm going to dress the pizza off with that. Now, a whole 24 hours out before we start making pizza, I've got to do a pre-ferment. I'm going to make a biga for 10 pizzas. 422 grams of water. 934 grams of flour. I'm using Shipton Mill double O flour. 2 grams of sugar. 2 grams of yeast. And I'm going to mix it up good. What you're looking for your biga, it's quite firm, so I'm going to put the lid on it now. I'm going to get back to it later on and I'll show you how it's developed. Let's see, the biga is pretty much doubled in size, which it has. So the next stage now. So all of the biga, need 620 grams of water, 850 grams of double O flour, 17 grams of salt. I'm going to mix it all up. I'm going to leave it to proof overnight. In the morning we'll make some dough balls, let those proof for about 3 hours, make pizza. And there you have it, 10 to 180 gram dough balls. I'll let them rest for about 4 hours and then I'll make them up into pizzas. The venison neck smoking for a good 5.5 hours now. Initially I had it uncovered and then I wrapped it up in some tin foil with some port and some oranges for a little bit of sweetness. Degree C throughout. So this is the big reveal for me and for you. First of all, I've actually done some extra low roasted butternut squash with some honey and some salt. Now this is the guy. This is the venison neck. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let's see how we're looking in here. Oh my days. Oh, get these utensils away. You don't need these bloody utensils. Look at this guy. Oh. It's hot. It just breaks apart lovely. That's going to be fantastic. We've got the venison, the squash, the Gucci mozzarella, the Ludacrust base. See you in a bit.